For dynamic loads, the FAZ II Plus is the optimal mechanical fixing solution. Fischer bolt anchor FAZ II Plus for highest demands, powerful and flexible. In addition to standard drill bits, diamond drill bits or hollow drill bits can also be used to create drill holes. The setting aid supports correct and simple installation with cap nut. The version with cap nut provides aesthetic anchorage and protects against injuries. The variable anchorage depths with sizes M6 to M20 allow a millimeter accurate adjustment to the loads. The FAZ II Plus is compatible with the FAZ II bolt anchor setting tool for even more convenient and faster installation. The new ETA assessment confirms the suitability of the FAZ II Plus for components subjected to dynamic loads. The fast mechanical setting process enables immediate loading of the fixing point, an enormous advantage compared to chemical fixings. The FAZ II Plus is approved according to ETA Option 1 for single-point anchoring in cracked and non-cracked concrete. Rated to Seismic Performance Category C1 and C2, it meets the highest seismic and safety requirements. Now with higher load values and the C2 certification also for the M24 diameter. The FAZ II Plus offers a wide range of applications. It's suitable for concrete classes C12-15 to C80-95, steel fibre concrete and solid sandlime bricks. The certificate, according to FireCurve RWS, guarantees a high performance up to 1,350 degrees Celsius, with a certified service life of 120 years. For the installation of lifting platforms, elevators, conveyor belts and many other applications. Fischer bolt anchor FAZ II Plus for highest demands, powerful and flexible.